Welcome to the Stat Tree Help video module for sample size estimation. When preparing to conduct a study, it may be helpful to determine the minimum sample size needed to attain research goals. In many cases, the local IRB may require an a priori power analysis as part of the study approval process. To conduct a power analysis in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. The figures for power, alpha, and Cohen's effect size in the code and results correspond to recommendations in Cohen 1998, adhered to by many social scientists, although you may choose different parameters for your particular study. This output may be useful in determining the minimal sample size needed to obtain sufficient power to avoid a type 2 error when conducting your study, and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.